Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Belleville, local, and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles from your present location. This kind of maneuver requires a great deal of forethought and competent hands. Therefore, we create a well-structured strategy for every long-distance relocation service we provide to meet our client's specifications. Our capacity to deliver our schedule is one of our best qualities. We realize that we must have all your things at your new home to settle in properly. Hence, our movers are well-trained and will treat your belongings with the utmost care. We sort, tag, and put all your household items into our moving trucks in the proper order. Our movers are skilled when it comes to organizing and securing goods in trucks. Our trucks are perfect for hauling goods across great distances. They're big, open, and well-balanced. Only professional drivers work in our company. Our drivers have a lot of experience and traveling long distances with household goods. They're also well-versed in all state and federal highway regulations and adhere to them. 3 guys in a truck provide the most satisfactory local moving service in Belleville. Because of our standard relocation service, locals strongly recommend us. We keep an open line of contact with all of our clients, and we are quick, efficient, and covered by comprehensive insurance. Our services are cost-effective, even though we provide the most exemplary local moving service. We charge a token of $30 to $40 per hour, so locals get the most satisfactory service for a low price. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Belleville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.